Hi there, welcome to in this tutorials. Today I'm going to talk about how to design FAQ page in your Shopify website, and also I'm going to show you how you can draw this without any coding skills. So if you are looking any simple solution to create a FAQ page in your Shopify website you following Google SEO rules, then you can continue these tutorials. Here I am going to use a apps to create free FAQ page. So let me show you this app. So this is the apps we are going to use to create a FAQ page without any coding skill. And why I chose this app, because it has free feature that we can use in our website. For example, let me show you the pricing here. Here it has free plan. We can add 10 question and answer, show FAQ in product or anywhere, change FAQ skin, custom text, color, etc. Allow finding the questions. So that is awesome. We are going to find full free, but if you want to go to paid and add more features, for example remove copyright, submit questions, and others more feature, then we can go to the premium plan, and that will start for into $99 per month, and for plan $9.99 per month. So depend on you, but initially we can start free. So let me show you the other features of this apps. So its apps already have 300 plus review and very positive review, and it support Google FAQ Sigma. That is really important for your website SEO and ranking. And 12 niche FAQ template ready, display FAQ in any page. So we can display FAQ in any page. And here the review, really great apps, easy to set up, make your page looks more professional. Good job, thank you. Okay, so people are going to good review on that. This is very recent review, and only 2 and 3 review get a 2 star and 1 star. Others also get a 300 plus 5 star. So you can trust these apps, and we are going to use this app as free. So let me show you how you can add this. First of all, I'm going to copy this name and going to dashboard of my website and click on the apps. Then click on the visit the Shopify App Store button. Now search this app. So I'm going to click on the title of this app. Then click on the add app button. Now going to click on the install app button. Now we can design our FAQ page from here. We can add FAQ question by clicking here. So I'm going to click on the add a new question button. Okay, so we have added 5 questions or FAQ at here. Now we need to add this code in our Shopify online store. So I'm going to click on here, embed code, copy this code, then click on the themes and click on customize. Now I wanted to add this FAQ right here above the footer. So click on the add section, then go to the bottom at custom content, click add, then remove this one, I don't need, remove text, remove image, and then click on the add content and click on the custom HTML button. Now going to paste this code and click on the save. So we have done. Here the result. So thank you for your time to watch these tutorials. If you think this tutorial helpful for you as a beginner, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel.